Okay. Now 3x upon 8 plus x upon 8 plus dress we don't know equals to total pocket money. Means total spent 3x upon 4. Right? It's not total pocket money. It's the amount which is spent in total out of that pocket money. Okay. Solve this. 3x plus x 4x 4x upon 2, that is x, it becomes 1 the 2 the x upon 2 plus dress equals to 3x upon 4. Solve this. So dress equals to, take this side, 3x upon 4 minus x upon 2. So solve this again. LCM 4 2x 3x minus 2x upon 4, that is x upon 4. So dress spent is x upon 4. So what do we want? What part of the pocket money, total pocket money, was spent on dress, right? The answer you got is x upon 4. What is x? Total pocket money. So 1/4 of the pocket money was spent on dress. That is the answer. If 28 shirts can be stitched in 35 by 2 meter of cloth, total cloth required for 8 shirts is here 28 shirts in 35 by 2. So 1 shirt equals to 35 by 2 upon 28. So solve this. 35 upon 2 into 28. We have solved this many times. So the answer will be 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8. For 1 shirt, 5 upon 8. So 8 shirts equals to 5 upon 8 into 8. Solve this, it becomes 5 meters. We have done these calculations many times earlier. That's why I have not given the stress on this. 2 packets of chocolates weigh 9 by 4 kg and 10 by 7 kg each. So half of the total weights of the chocolate is quite simple. First add the 2, get the total weight, then half it. So total is 9 by 4 plus 10 upon 7. So LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So multiply this, 4 7s are 9, 7s are 63, 7 4s are 10 4s are 40, right? So 63 103 by 28. This is the total. So half is 103 by 28 divided by 2. So divide will become multiply and this will become 1 by 2. Solve this, 103 by 56. Solve it yourself. Either this is the answer or mixed fraction if you want. 56 ones are plus 47. Quite easy one. We have solved this earlier many times. Similar calculations have been done, so not stressing on that. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Then follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp on the number for any query related to purchases. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.